The reason why you are here today, simply because you love each other. If there is no love, you will not be here. Because if you love one another, as Jesus said, you need to remain in that love. In the love of Jesus. But that love, Pamela and Ronnie, is not based on feelings, because feelings will come and go. True love must be rooted in the love of Jesus.
When life get messy, pag dumating tayo sa punto ng buhay na hindi na sapat ang salitang tama at mali, kapag nagkukulang na ang sapat sa lahat, always remember, God is in control. Ipagdasal natin ng sabay ang lahat ng bagay na hindi natin maabot.
I will be your faithful partner, your loyal supporter, and of course your biggest fan. My dear Ronnie, in you, I have found a love that is more than I have ever imagined possible. My safe space.
To my beautiful wife, to my lifetime partner and everything, I vow to you to protect and care for you, kahit sa mga panahong hindi ka kanais-nais.
I vow to respect, honor, and to always be honest with you. I will celebrate your successes and stand by you in your failures.
The reason why God gave you a partner in life, simply because God wants you to be happy. Always remember that. Pamela, did you come here of your own free will to find yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Ronnie, did you come here of your own free will to find yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father. I promise to respect you all the time kahit napaka-moody mo. I promise na ako ang unang taong papalakpak sa lahat ng achievements mo sa buhay. I promise to you that I will always be the man you're dreaming of.
Together, we will build a home filled with love, joy, and understanding. As we embark on our new chapter in life, I promise to love you more with each passing day.
Palang kitang nakita, sabi ko sa sarili ko, ito na yung babaeng sasakal sa akin. Ito na ang babaeng sasang-ayon ako sa lahat ng tamang desisyon namin sa buhay. I love you, my Pamela. It's not just a promise, but a pure and lifetime commitment. Mahal na mahal kita. I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together. I love you.
Very beautiful ang daughter ko, di ba? Ayan, anak ha. You know how it is a good wife. Magiging loyal, respectful, loving. Pati tuloy ako naiiyak. Don't cry, Pam, kasi masisira yung makeup.
Oo nga, tawagin mo si George.
Para hindi masira yung makeup natin, do not cry.
Ay, naku! Best wishes.
Oo, hipogi naman ng baby ko. Mahalin mo ng tapat yung magiging half mo. Siya yung pinaka-sweetness.
Alright.
Yeah, kaya lang, kailangan ibigay mo yung gusto.
Spoiled brat ba?
Siya yun, hindi naman spoiled brat, pero parang gano'n na rin. Konti lang, slight.
Siguro sa 10 mama, pang 11 siya. Hindi, pero siya yung pinaka-the best na mama, syempre. Kung pupunta ako sa ibang buhay, siya pa rin at pipiliin ko. Yung mama ko.
Iiyak na ako.
Pam, now that you are on your new journey, I wish you all the best in life and may all your dreams come true.
My dearest mom, your love and support has made me the woman I am today. I am blessed to call you my mom. I love you forever. So, si Ate Williams na.
Parang basahin yung akin. Thank you, Ate, for allowing me to be married first and for helping me in preparation. This color may be odd, but it is for your something blue when it is your turn. In God's perfect time, I love you forever, Bruce.
Ako ay nabiyayaan na dintang kaking biye ko. At pangadi ko na maging matagumpeta mo, keng biye na mayabe. It is us against the world. Kalugaran da ka pang habang buhay.